Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Front is through. In fact, it came in yesterday. The humidity dropped big time, and now the temperatures are going to follow. So a couple degrees every hour until we get to the morning, which will result in morning lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Mild afternoon, a quick shift of the wind. That'll be east and then eventually south. And a southwesterly wind will warm us up even more. So 80s for Saturday, about mid 80s, and I think some upper 80s coming up for Sunday. So that will put us in record territory. 88's the record high for Sunday coming up at the airport here. So we'll be close to it. Showers and thunderstorms. How about that for a change? We need it. The drought numbers came out today and they continue to get worse. The drought is expanding. We have more areas now of severe drought across South Florida. So this would be some beneficial rainfall, and it comes on Monday. So it'll be after our weekend, which of course will feature the new sunset and sunrise times. Switch the clocks 1 hour forward Saturday night. Here's the Gulf low that's going to be developing, and that's important because what we've had is fronts. The lows have gone up to the north, but this one's going to go due east. So that moisture with it is going to get dragged from the Gulf right on top of us here. So this is a juicier storm, and we'll hopefully get some good rain out of it there, because after that it dries up all over again. And so that's our only shot really of getting some good rain for the next 7 days. No alerts for the Atlantic waters or the Florida Keys. We did have a small craft advisory through the day on Thursday. That'll expire on Friday. So we're looking good with light chop conditions there. All right, so morning temperatures, again, some of us dipping below 50 degrees potentially for at least an hour or so, and then we'll warm things right back up into the 70s in the afternoon. But there you go, 52 in Aventura, a little bit milder. If you're surrounded by water like Key Biscayne, you likely stay around 56. But inland areas, the typical colder spots, Kendall's usually it, as is Country Walk there. So those are the areas, if we get into the upper 40s, that will be that way. 54 in Miami, and then 60s down into the Florida Keys, and a quick jump to the upper 70s. That's about right for this time of year. Typical high is 80, so we'll be close to our normal high, and then we'll start the climb into that record territory coming up for the weekend. Full sunshine again, blue skies for tomorrow. No issues with smoke because the wind is going to be out of the east, so anything is going to be blowing in the other direction. There's that 84 for Saturday. Spring forward Saturday night, 87 for Sunday, and then we'll knock back temperatures. There's the best rain chance over the next 7 days coming up on Monday. Then we dry out all over again and cool down as well beginning on a Tuesday with lows in the low 60s.